As you can see, this Volvo wiper arm is a mess of corrosion, and that is not going to come off easily. Unfortunately, this wiper arm doesn't want to move. It'll come on briefly, but then it'll seize and it'll stop, and without manhandling, it won't move back to the park position again. So I've manhandled it back to the park position, and now I need to remove it, but it's seized on pretty heavily. It's corroded. So how do we remove it? Well, I'm not entirely certain I want to use a standard wiper pulling tool, because if I use a standard wiper pulling tool, I risk damaging this. This is the washer jet, and on the V70 it's routed through the spindle. I've given it a bit of a wiggle, but I don't want to snap anything off, and I haven't found any guides online for how to remove it. I've seen other guides on how to remove seized spindles, which involve hitting things with hammers. Unfortunately, this is right next to the glass tailgate, so if I hit it with a hammer, I risk a very expensive repair indeed. So I've come up with another solution. For my solution, you will need 2 adjustable spanners. You will need the original nut, the one that holds the wiper onto the spindle, well, provided that it hasn't seized on there, of course, and a big washer. The first thing that we do is we put the nut back on. Not all the way, just enough to get some traction. The next thing we do is we put the washer loosely on top. Now, using an adjustable spanner, work out roughly what size you need to make it. That looks roughly right, and adjust the other one, its partner, to match. Okay. Yep, its partner needs to be adjusted outwards slightly. That looks good to me. Sorry about the poor quality of this video. Being cameraman and mechanic together doesn't really work. What I need to do with my 2 adjusted spanners is place them on the back of the wiper arm, tighten them up onto the washer, and then gently lever them back. Lever, 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 and as you can see, it has come off neatly and no damage has been done to the glass. I hope you found this video useful.